Hey everyone, Mark Schultz here today, founder of DigitalAircraft. Today we are going to talk about how NFTs are being used within the industry. You know, you may think that an NFT, well, why would an airline implement an NFT? And what is it that they're really going to do? Well, you want to be here with me today so that we can learn about that. Hey, my guests today are with a company called Arcube, and they assisted Etihad in the implementation of their NFT program. Let's go ahead and bring them right in and we'll get started. Gentlemen, thanks for joining today. So glad to have you here.
Thanks for having us.
Good to be here. Thanks.
Yeah. Hey, let me just start out by just introducing you and saying, who are you and what do you do? So Simon, tell everybody, who are you and what do you do?
Sure. So good morning, good afternoon to all your viewers. My name is Simon Kamsky. I'm Senior Global Marketing Manager for Etihad. Been working with Etihad for 8 years. Yeah, that's who I am.
Perfect. Thanks for joining us. And then we have Harvey with Arcube. Tell everybody who you are and what do you do?
Yeah, I'm Harvey Lowe. I'm the co-founder and COO of Arcube. We make brand utility solutions around Web3.
Perfect. Simon, let me just switch back to you for a minute. Could you just give us a little bit of sort of your journey and what brought you to where you are now doing marketing for Etihad? I think that would be interesting to hear.
Okay, sure. So I graduated, 22 years ago, a long time ago. Graduated in marketing, and by chance I landed in the travel industry. Yeah, I started to work with a ferry company. Then I moved on to a tourism board, spent 8 years doing destination marketing. And 8.5 years ago, I sort of joined with Etihad Airways, and I was based in Berlin. I was responsible for regional marketing back then in Europe, and then that widened to the US as well. And today I work on global projects for the airline. So yeah. That's perfect, in a very few words, my journey.
Etihad is based out of Abu Dhabi, but you're not in Abu Dhabi, right?
No, I'm actually based in London. I am frequently down in Abu Dhabi in HQ, but yeah, currently based in London.
Yeah, excellent. Very good.